I'm back from Europe! Oh, yay! And guess what? On the flight, I met a new student coming to our school. We're friends now. Who is it? Her name's Spegs. We plan on buying lunch together. Would you like to meet her? Sure. Okay, what time is it? Oh, almost lunch. Let's go. Hey, there she is. Hi, Spegs.
Hey!
Hi. So, have you gotten a dorm yet?
Yeah, it's this one.
Because you said we'll buy lunch together. Wait, you're our neighbor. We live here.
That's so great!
Cool. Okay, so I think it's lunchtime. Let's go buy some lunch. Okay.
Okay.
Hi, lunch lady Luna.
Hello.
So today, can I order maybe a pizza?
Of course.
Thank you so much. What is my total price?
Let me check. $10.
Here you go. Oh, you ordered spaghetti. Yum.
It's pasta!
No, it's spaghetti. What's the difference?
The difference is it's pasta! Pasta!
Who cares, to be honest?
I do! It's pasta!
Why? It's just food.
It's my food!
Honestly, doesn't matter. Who legit cares? They both taste the exact same.
Like macarons and macaroons.
How dare you? They're so different.
I dared very much. They are the same.
Macarons are the French, and macaroons are the coconut. Macarons are the cute cookie.
Who cares? They're the same. No.
No, they taste so much different. Not like spaghetti and pasta.
They both taste like garbage anyway.
Eat the spaghetti. I'm not hungry. Bye.